Hey everybody, Joe here, Flight 7. So, I bought this Simpson pressure washer, and I want to try and save somebody a little aggravation of on two accounts, okay? When you first get this pressure washer, you have to go through several steps. Okay, on top of the gas tank, located here, there's a sticker that says no oil, okay, comes in this as it's shipped. And the oil does come with it. Put the oil in, you're good to go. Get rid of that sticker. Then there's your pump over there. Right there is a plug. It says oil. You have to unscrew a aluminum plug and install this. Sorry about that. Install this plastic vent cap that says oil on it. There is an oil in here for this, and it's I just got it going. It's warm right now. Now, per the instructions in the manual, I'm going to zoom in a little bit here, okay? So I'm just going to turn this back over here. I'm going to put this back. Okay. Back here, and it does say this in the instructions. This isn't the tricky part that I'm doing this video for. And I guess if I would have looked at this sticker down here, I wouldn't have had such a problem. So I wound up I had 30-day-old gas that I had put in here in this tank, and you know what? It didn't start, and it may have been because I thought that this lever in this position was off, but it is, as you can see, it's the maximum for the motor, pushed all the way to the left. To the right, you push it to the right like that, and that is your slow turtle. So when it said push it a third, actually I was about over here, so that really shouldn't have mattered. But okay, so I'm gonna put it back down to the turtle and bring it up just a little. But this is your fuel, and you can see the arrow says this way. Your fuel goes on, there you go, pushed over to the right. And then this is full choke position right here, all the way to the left, full choke. When the motor starts kicking over and then starts coughing, you slowly move it all the way over here to where it lines up with your fuel on lever, okay? And that's choke off. That's full choke. That's choke off. This is full throttle. That's, barely any throttle. Okay, so I changed the gas and figured that out, and it started, and it's running. There was a little bit of smoking. I got this because of the Honda engine. I was about to get real torqued out of shape, but it just took doing a couple things, and she's going now. So far, I really haven't had a chance to use it that much, but it did fire off. It is running, and I just wanted to save somebody else some trouble. So if you have gas that's a month old, do yourself a favor, dump it in your car or your truck, after you fill it up almost all the way. It won't matter. And put fresh high-test gas in this thing. Run high-test gas in these small engines, I would say. I mean, that's my personal opinion. Because it does also say, you can't use any more than 10% ethanol in these engines. And most all gas now has 10% ethanol. And something about 5% methanol. I don't know anything about meth, so I know. Alright guys, hope that helps a couple of you people, because I was about to flip my wig or something. Alright, have a good day. Good luck and happy pressure cleaning.